Breaking the silence. American Sign Language is used by millions of people. The hearing impaired have used it for many years. A young science student named Jose Hernandez Rebollar noticed that few people who could hear knew ASL, and ASL means American Sign Language. They couldn't communicate with the hearing impaired. He set out to make a new tool that would help solve this problem. With it, he also saw a new way for the hearing impaired to communicate. Early years, Hernandez Rebollar worked as an engineer in his native Mexico. He even had a part in making what became the largest telescope in the world. In 1998, he received a grant to study in the United States. He chose to get his PhD degree at George Washington University, where he studied electrical engineering. In 2000, he began to work on his school project. It was an idea for a new glove, his invention. Hernandez Rebollar made his tool, called his tool the Excel glove. What was the logic? People used their hands to sign. The glove would turn sign language into spoken or print word. This process of turning movements into voice involved many steps. It starts when the glove is put on the hand and strapped to the arm. The glove sends signals made by where and how the hand and wrist move. The glove compares where the wrist and hand are to where the body is. The computer receives the signals. It then categorizes and links the hand movements with the correct word. An automatic computer voice then says the word. Uses for the glove. The Excel glove can do many things. It can be helpful when something is urgent. People can exchange words quickly. It can also be used to teach ASL or for other forms of sign language. The glove can translate ASL into Spanish as well as English. It can help people who move to this country. There is hope that one day the glove will help create one common sign language. Each country would not need its own. Also, the total number of words the glove knows will increase as more studies are done. There will be fewer mistakes. There are other uses for the glove for people who can hear. People in the armed forces use a communication technique that involves silent gestures out in the field. The glove can help them send wireless notes back and forth. They would only need to move their hands. It can also be used for fun in the online world of games. To move within a video game or direct a game with the glove are new ways a person can play. Hernandez Rebollar's Excel glove has a wide range of uses. It is a tool that could end up meeting the needs of the hearing and non-hearing alike.